What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, we are a full coop. I am in a full coop. I don't know if anyone know that be, but we are a full coop. And today, I'm going to be cleaning out the nursery, which is this little part right here where the little bin the chicken them go, but the big one them there usually come down at the bottom. Alright, so tomorrow my grandmother will get some little chicken. So she want me clean it out. So when she get them, she not a problem for just put them in. So me did kind of start already. Me did just take out the little, them, you know, if you know, like them here. You just take them out because them there are the water feeding in pan and the chicken feeding in pan. Yeah. So yeah, me I go start, and this is how in here so look. We shouldn't even showing you this, but me say me shouldn't even show no that is because some people get really sick and disgusted by things like that. But if someone there know say someone depend this I watch this or something, how full Cuban and understand say I don't know really if it be shame or you know everybody raise chicken, especially Jamaicans them raise chicken, and for you know say hard up and basically manure, so I don't know if you will get disgusted by or whatever. So we could get into the video. Alright, what my grandmother usually do when she like have the chicken them on, so she usually put one cardboard in there. So she usually put one cardboard in there, make the chicken them run up and down on her or whatever. And if me there when she gets the chicken them, we can show one of them. Alright, so yeah, remember the skate. You see, because she like put the cardboard on it, I have to put the cardboard because the chicken them just poop up and everything on the cardboard. So I'm gonna take out that there now. I'm gonna find the block here. If me drop, we don't allow. And them kind of stuck because a long time she have them here in. A long time she put the chicken in here, so. And if you not ask me a question in the comment section, like why am I not using no gloves? Because I do this already and I'm not really afraid of it. And that's what I'm used to. I never wear gloves. I'm used to it, I'm not wear gloves now. So yeah.
House music. House music. House music. House music.
Yeah. Me done. You don't clean out in here, so you rest apart them now I use for now. When I start apart them I go use somebody else, I go clean them out because me not do that. Them bigger part here too hard to clean out. But yeah, this is it. And as me tell you, anybody who raise chicken and have them something here on the clean out on the cocoa, don't be ashamed of them something here at Jamaica. This everybody raise chicken. I tell you, see the chicken business enough money. And they can get off of the chicken business. Enough money and they can make off of this chicken business. And you raise your whole heap of chicken and you sell them back all to some restaurant and something. Enough money you can get off of them. So what I have to go do next, I have to go just wash it, feed the pan and the water pan. I'm showing you them. I don't know if I never see them before, but things like this, we have to wash this. Yeah. So how you use this, you just throw a feed on the top of it. And then we put down. And then we have to go wash this. I don't know how to use this. I'm give you a quick lesson how to use this. So I'm going to show you how to use this. I don't mind this, it's kind of dirty. As I say, I'm going to wash it. So you have a little water in there right now. I don't know if you can see me, I have a little water in there. And this here, right here, so, are the cover. So I'm going to set it on so, and I'm going to hold it so, and I'm going to cover it. And then, yeah, I'm going to cover it. Right, it's kind of rusty and dry up, but I'm going to cover it. Make sure I say cover properly. Yeah, struggle. Alright, see it there. Make sure you say cover properly. And when you cover it, I'm going to hold it so, and turn it over so. And then the water, I go come out where the little hole there. The water go come out through that little hole here, and I go down there. Every time the chicken them drink, it will go like just flow down. But once it full up, it will go stop. Once you only full up, as you can see, it will go stop. Yeah. So if you not raise chicken, you can know what me teach you something. Well, this is the end of the video. When we're gonna get the chicken them tomorrow. If me there, if me not go down on my mother, me show no, but if me not go there, I go take them out other time, take picture of them or one video, little video of them other time, and put them in a one shorts so you can see them. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you now 2 more important lessons if you got both. They're very important. Number 1, you see the water something here? When you get your newborn chicken them, when you get your newborn chicken them, they're very small. Number 1, you'll get some fine little stone. I don't know if you can find one, but some little stone. Not as big as this, but smaller than this, so them can hold in here. So why? Because the chicken them can drown. And by drinking water, but when we say drown, I mean like if this too full up and them too small, then we drown. And if them get too cold, hey bitch. And if them get too cold, them can dead too. Next lesson, when we are gonna show you know, is yeah man. Next lesson, when we are gonna show you know, this year, the feed pan. One is when you get your newborn chicken them, you're gonna put on the feeder pan flat, but as you can see, I have some wire up here, so some string. So when them start growing, you're putting up your ear. Not all the way in the ear though, just elevate it a little bit above the ground. So them can put up them neck and them can stretch them neck and eat the feed. Alright. Yeah. Anyways, people, stay blessed, give bless, more love, you know.